Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to integrate WooCommerce with Cloudflare. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the platform from where we are using WooCommerce. Most often it's going to be WordPress. So if you're using WordPress for running your WooCommerce website and store, after you have logged in right here, now we can go ahead and get started following the rest of the steps as we can take a look at this article right here on how to set up Cloudflare for WooCommerce. Basically guys, you are going to need to connect to Cloudflare first. So you are going to go to cloudflare.com and then sign up for an account if you do not already have one. Once you have logged into your account, you're going to choose a plan. You can select the free plan. It's sufficient for most WooCommerce stores to start. If you need more options or more free features, you can go and select one of the premium plans and then you can add your website. So you can enter your WooCommerce store domain and click add site. So after that, we can point our domain to Cloudflare. How can we do that? We can manage the hosting right here on our WordPress for our WooCommerce store. On the homepage in the upper right corner, we have the hosting overview from where we can get started managing the hosting for our website. So here we can go ahead and take a look at deployments and so on, and we can choose the plan that we want to use for our domain that we can connect right here. Using this, you can go ahead and connect your domain and your website with the new Cloudflare plan that you've just created by following the steps from right here, and that is going to enable you to go ahead and integrate your WooCommerce store with Cloudflare. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.